Today we will talk about cooperative learning groups. So for objectives for the day is to define cooperative learning, identify goals of cooperative learning, identify and describe 3 essential characteristics that support cooperative learning, identify the benefits for students, and also identify the benefits for teachers. So what is cooperative learning? Cooperative learning is when students work together in small groups on common goals. Some of these goals are to teach academic goals, and this is either the basic skills and then also higher level thinking skills. Another goal of cooperative groups is to teach interpersonal skills. This is for students to learn to work together, to talk together, to reach a common goal. And that's also to help different racial and ethnic groups to learn together and to promote acceptance of special education students that are involved in the general education classroom. We want students to be able to accept each other no matter the difference, and also to work together and respect each other's different thinking, different skills. So 3 essential characteristics is the group goals. They focus on agreed upon and shared learning tasks, and in these group goals also motivate students to help each other, and therefore they support each other in success. They encourage students to explain content to teammates. Students are able to help each other learn, and then encourage students to ask for and provide help. So for example, a group goal is for that you may have in your classroom is for students to learn how to perform a multi-digit multiplication. So then, for the group goals, the students are motivated to teach each other how to efficiently and successfully be able to multiply using multi-digits. And so the students are explaining content to their teammates and really collaborating together. Individual accountability. This is when the students are in groups, but the success of the group is based on individual learning of each member. So the students work together on a common goal as a group, but then you the teacher, assessing each individual through a quiz, through a test, or another assignment. Then the group is rewarded based on the average of all the group members' quiz scores. And this helps because it prevents the most able students, the students that are on task, want to work hard. This prevents for those students to do all of the work, while the other teammates will just get a free ride, or they feel they don't have to do anything. Let the other students who want to do well, they don't dump all of the work on the most able students. So this provides then accountability for each individual member of the group, and then the teacher will average the individual members' quiz scores as a group. Another type of characteristic is the equal opportunity for success. This is when you have the high and low ability students the opportunity to participate and experience success. You want to mix the high and low ability students in the groups, and then you want to grade them on improvement. And you would also assign different tasks to the assignments. So what are the benefits to the students in participating in cooperative groups? The students help each other clarify concepts and also problem-solving approaches. Confidence is built through oral presentations and written discussion of the concepts that they have learned and skills that they have mastered. Critical thinking is also developed as they work together. And then the students appreciate and respect each other's ways of thinking. Not everybody is going to think the same on how to solve a problem, how to master skill, or how to how to answer higher level thinking questions. So the students really do appreciate and respect each other's ways, and the students also adopt a positive attitude towards mathematics and the mathematics classroom. The students really do enjoy working together, and as they have confidence, as they are able to understand and really help each other clarify problem solving approaches and respect each other's different ways of thinking, the students have more positive attitudes. So the benefits for teachers are that students are held more accountable for their learning, and this very much supports the student-centered classroom. It's all about the students, and the students are able to problem solve and to think on their own. It's not just how the teachers tell them how to think, but the students are able to figure it out on their own. And then also teachers can listen to the students' discussions and assess their understanding. Listen to what the students are discussing, see if they're really trying to help each other understand, and as they discuss, listen for what they're saying and that it actually makes sense, and they're explaining their process and their thinking very well. And also another good thing is that cooperative learning decreases paperwork. You're not grading 30 students, 20 to 30 students work. It's all in one group, and so you're not having to do as much paperwork. Also, this cooperative learning, there's appreciation and use of diverse student academic strengths and learning modalities. You might not know every student's academic strength or the way they learn, and so as you observe each different group, you'll learn how they learn, how they think, how they solve problems, and then are they a visual learner, are they an auditory learner, are they a musical learner, or more linguistic or kinesthetic. So you'll get to, as the students find ways to solve problems, you'll see their different learning styles and academic strengths. And then students, through cooperative learning, students are able to explain the concepts in their own words. Learning is not solely relied on the teacher's lectures or direct teaching. Students are able to process the information and then be able to explain their thinking and the concepts in their own words.